This tutorial is an introduction on how to get started with the version 5.1 of P2P Ninja software. This will convert a Raspberry Pi that you own into a P2P Ninja node. To set up your P2P Ninja node, you will need a powered Raspberry Pi 3B or 3B Plus, a microSD card at least 8 GB formatted in a single volume in FAT format, a home Wi-Fi network, a personal computer with Chrome browser connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Additionally, to set up a neighborhood P2P Ninja network, you will need a managed Ethernet switch, Ethernet cables as needed to connect various devices as well as your peers together. To get started, use your Chrome browser to download the latest P2P Ninja app from the Chrome store. For your convenience, a direct link is also provided at the P2P Ninja website. Now head over to www.p2p.ninja, select Download from the banner menu and download the latest version of the P2P Ninja software. The download is in the form of a zip file. Insert an 8 GB microSD card into your computer and extract the contents of the zip file that you just downloaded into the root folder of the microSD card as shown here. Once the files have been copied onto the root folder of the microSD card, navigate into the folder p2p_ninja_settings and open the file wifi_config using a text editor of your choice. Edit the IP address highlighted here in yellow. Select an IP address in the range 192.168.2.1 to 192.168.2.254. This determines the IP address of the Ethernet interface of your P2P Ninja node. The IP address you select needs to be unique among the peers that you will connect to in your neighborhood. Also, edit the last two highlighted lines to input your home Wi-Fi SSID and password. This will allow your P2P Ninja node to connect with your home Wi-Fi network. Please double check that the Wi-Fi details as entered are accurate. The IP address for the Wi-Fi interface of the P2P Ninja node will be automatically assigned by your home Wi-Fi router later. Save the changes you have made and close the file wifi_config. Eject the microSD card and insert it into a Raspberry Pi 3B or 3B Plus. Power up the Pi and give it about 30 minutes to set up as a P2P Ninja node on the first startup. The exact time needed will vary based on the read and write speed of your microSD card. At the end of setup, your P2P Ninja node will reboot and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. At this stage, open the P2P Ninja app in your Chrome browser and use the Scan Network button to try to detect the P2P Ninja node. If your P2P Ninja node has finished its first setup, the app should automatically configure a connection to it. The app will display the IP address of the Wi-Fi interface of the P2P Ninja node as a confirmation of setup. Enter myninja.p2p in the browser URL field to connect to your P2P Ninja node. You may also enter your default case-sensitive password p2p.ninja to start the server function of your P2P Ninja node as shown here. Once the server is started, you should be able to visit the demonstration website 43f.p2p that your node is now publishing. You are now ready to interconnect your P2P Ninja node with your neighbor's nodes and form a P2P Ninja network. Let us see an example of how you may do so. Here, a P2P Ninja node is powered by an Ethernet cable. The Ethernet cable also carries a data connection from the P2P Ninja node to our network switch. This network switch has been set up as a multi-tenant unit VLAN. It has an uplink at the local P2P Ninja nodes port. This switch also receives connections from two neighboring P2P Ninja nodes on its downlink ports. This forms a P2P Ninja network and allows you to browse websites that may be hosted by your neighbors or peers that they have connected to. Each version of the P2P Ninja software download includes detailed instructions on how to set up a P2P Ninja node using that version of the software.